In today's video, I am going to teach you how to encrypt email messages in Outlook. If you handle sensitive details, encryption in Outlook helps protect your message, so only the intended recipients can read it, even if the email is intercepted. Here is how to apply it as you compose a message. Step by step, start by opening the Outlook desktop app. Click New Email to open a fresh message window. With the message open, switch to the Options tab along the top ribbon. There, you'll see an Encrypt button shown as a small padlock. Click it to reveal your permission choices. You'll notice two common options. Encrypt only keeps the contents protected but still allows recipients to forward, print, or copy the message. This is great when you want privacy without restricting how people handle the information. Do Not Forward also encrypts the message, and it blocks forwarding, printing, and copying, helping you maintain tighter control. Choose the one that matches your intent. For general confidentiality, Encrypt only is usually enough. If the message contains material you don't want redistributed, pick Do Not Forward. Keep in mind that while the message body and many attachments are protected, the email subject line may be visible to mail systems. So avoid putting sensitive information in the subject. After you've selected the permission level, finish composing your email as usual. Add recipients, write your message, attach files if needed, and click Send. Recipients will be able to open the encrypted message using their email client. And if extra verification is required, they'll be guided through it automatically. With Do Not Forward, attachments inherit the same restrictions, and recipients can still reply to you normally. For clarity, consider noting in your message that it's protected, especially when sending to people outside your organization. If you don't see the Encrypt button, your account or organization may not have encryption enabled. Check with your administrator or support team. Also, remember that encryption protects content in transit and at rest within the supported ecosystem. But it doesn't replace good email practices. Always double-check recipient addresses before sending and keep sensitive details concise and purposeful. That's all it takes to add a strong layer of protection to your Outlook emails. Thanks for watching.